Hello everyone, welcome to Arizona Kitchen. So today I'm making Lay's cheese sandwich. So to make Lay's cheese sandwich, we need two slices of bread. So first take one slice of bread and spread 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup. Now place the cheese slice on it. Now sprinkle some oregano on it. Just make it crunchy, put it your favorite Lay's flavor on it. On the second slice of bread, spread tomato ketchup on it. Now spread butter on it. Now heat up the pan and toast the sandwich until the brown color is formed. After 3 to 4 minutes, flip the sandwich.